हेलो गाइस, तो जैसे मैं आपको बता चुका हूँ मेरा प्लांट प्रोटीन का वीडियो जो है वो आने वाला है, तो वो कल आएगा। लेकिन उसके पहले मैं आपको एक स्टोरी बताना चाहता हूँ जो कि इंस्टाग्राम पे मुझे किसी ने डीएम करी है। बहुत ही हर्ट करने वाली स्टोरी है और बहुत ही दिखाता है कि हमारी सोसाइटी के सोशल स्टिग्मास जो हैं और जिस तरीके से लोग कुछ लोगों को ट्रीट करते हैं, उसका इम्पैक्ट क्या होता है लोगों पे और लोग क्या क्या कर लेते हैं उन चीज़ों को बदलने के लिए। सो उसी की ये स्टोरी किसी ने मुझे भेजी है। Now this guy has told me not to reveal his name, so I won't reveal that. I'm gonna hide his identity. But of course I'm gonna read out the entire story which he has sent to me. And so here it goes. My name is Rahul. Let's take it as Rahul. I've changed the name. And I have been an overweight kid. I was an overweight kid. I still am an overweight kid. My age is 18 years old. Since my childhood, I was always teased for being overweight, and no one ever understood me. But of course, like all other people, I did have one or two friends who did stand by my side. I guess we all have one or two friends who stand by us no matter what. So now, further, then what happened is that my weight kept on increasing. I didn't exactly know the reason why, because I didn't eat that much of food. But people always teased me saying, तू इतना खाता क्यों है, तू इतना खाना क्यों ठूसता है, खाना बंद कर दे तो पतला हो जाएगा. But no one actually realized that I am eating much lesser than what I should be eating. So how to convince them? I did not get it. This is a story with many people who are actually overweight because they naturally have low and slow metabolism, and not really because they are stuffing their foods with some pani puri or something. And this is something which most people don't realize. This is something which even I can relate from my childhood. Further, he says, when I turned 16 years old, my stomach was lying on one side, and my side fat was too much, and even my face, it used to droop, and I had a really bad double chin. Okay, then he says, because of this, I became a laughing stock for many people. They all made fun of me, none of them actually giving me a solution to this problem of being fat. Then I finally joined the gym, though I was quite trepidatious of doing so, because I thought that many people might make fun of me. So I did not join the gym at first, but then with great courage, I did join the gym. After that, a lot of people made fun of me at the gym, and though my fitness journey started and I did started shedding some pounds, but because of my naturally low metabolic rate, the rate of weight loss was very slow. So I tried hard to lose weight, but to no avail. No matter how much dieting I would do, the weight and the weighing scale would not budge. It would stay at the same spot for like forever. Finally, my trainer told me there is only one way by which you can lose weight, and that is by using clenbuterol. I did make a video on clenbuterol. Now, further he says that I trusted my trainer, because at this point of life, when everyone is against you, if there is even one person who supports you in any way, then you tend to trust that person, and he trusted his trainer. I took clenbuterol, and the effects did show. My metabolism increased, and as I exercised more and more and restricted my diet further, I was able to lose around 15 to 20 kilos of fat. Then he writes, but what I didn't know were the side effects of clenbuterol. When I came off the drug, I started having breathing issues, could not breathe properly. My metabolism again fell down, and I again started gaining weight. And in the end, I started my journey at 113 kgs and I had come down to 80 kgs. Now I was back to 130 kgs. I have stopped going to the gym. I have stopped dieting. I am continuously increasing weight. I am dying. I am dying of obesity. And there is no one to help me. No one. What to do, sir? And then, of course, I have given him replies about what he should do and what he should not do. Now, this is something, of course, his case is quite bad. But this is something which even I have dealt with, especially when I initially started losing weight. Guys, fitness is meant to make you feel better. It is meant to make you feel good about yourself. So that is why do not take any banned substances like clenbuterol whenever your gym trainer tells you to do so. Do some research on that and then take these products. And as for this guy, he's 130 kgs. So of course, my suggestion to him would be to first get his metabolism tested, his thyroid checked. Though I'm not a doctor, so proper advice would only be given to him by a trained physician, not me. So, bro, I recommend you go and consult a doctor. And don't mind my saying, I say this with the utmost seriousness. The mental state which you are at, you also need to consult a psychiatrist. Otherwise, these suicidal thoughts might take a bad turn. All the best to you for your future journey.